Hello everyone, this is Dave from MeRC, and I'm doing my best to get in the picture right here because this twin Tundra is just so big it's hard to get it all in frame. But anyway, what I want to talk about is my flights that I had at the Float and Fly this weekend, and a couple of things that I did. One was I found I could do a pretty short takeoff and landing by just giving it one click of flaps.
Flaps 1.
That's 15% flaps when I take off, and because the props are right in front of the flaps, it kind of forces the air down right here and makes for a nice short takeoff. So take a look at this clip and see how it reacts with the flaps on. Just take a look at it and then I'll be back. Okay, so a couple of reasons why I actually made a twin Tundra instead of going with just one prop in the front. One reason was I wanted to play with the differential thrust and see how that worked in the water. The other one was I wanted to put a camera on the front and I didn't want the props in the way of the camera. So in this flight I'm going to test it out with a camera on the front. And I've just put a little Mobius, it's actually a RunCam HD, right on this piece of Velcro and just flew around. Eventually I'll probably try FPV and put a camera in here for the FPV cam and then have the RunCam up here for the HD video. But today I just did the HD video. So let's take a look at that on the water, and you'll notice I found a few ducks while I was out there too. I'm going to put on another camera on the front here of the twin Tundra and hope I don't crash. Alright, it's running.
4, 1, 2, slow, dash. Differential.
It'll blow it out, man. I ain't gonna duck here, man. Duck, goose, whatever. Little mishap there. Well, let's see if the camera's still going. Usually this camera does not continue. Oh, it is recording.
Thanks for watching, and thanks for your support on my channel. I know my channel's been around for a while, but anyone new here, I appreciate you subscribing, and hope you come back and see some more videos. See you next time.